Today I'm going to teach you that one way writers craft more powerful sentences is by paying attention to conventions, especially conventions that they might be careless with in their writing. Today we are going to focus our attention on the comma and the multiple ways writers use the comma to make their writing readable, engaging, and strong. So let's look at this passage, and I want you to pay attention to the commas that you see. Remember that commas serve different purposes for authors, and that it helps our writing to know what those purposes are. So the first comma I see is right at the beginning, right after the line later on in the story. And it seems like the author is using a comma there to show when something happened, almost to introduce the sentence. So I'm going to start a chart called Why Authors Use Commas. You will want to take these notes in your writing notebook as well. So for the first one, it's to say when or where something happens. So an author uses a comma to say when or where something happens. So now I'm going to have you pause the video and look at the rest of the commas throughout this paragraph. And I want you to write down, what are some other uses for commas? Writers. Here are some ways that authors use commas. These are some ideas that previous students have listed. Is this what your list looks like? Writers. Now it's your turn. You will need to have your writing draft ready to go for the next activity.